Hello students, welcome to today's lesson on power supply and amplifiers in GSM maintenance and repairs. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe power supply features and uses, define and identify amplifiers, and explain their importance. Let us begin with power supply. A power supply is a circuit that converts electrical energy into a stable direct current or DC voltage required by electronic devices. Most devices like mobile phones operate on DC power. Since mains electricity is AC, a power supply is needed to convert it into usable DC power. A typical linear DC power supply consists of four main sections: the transformer, the rectifier, the filter, and the regulator. The transformer reduces the high AC voltage from the main supply to a lower and safer AC voltage suitable for electronic circuits. The rectifier converts the low AC voltage from the transformer into pulsating DC voltage using diodes, which allow current to flow in only one direction. The filter, often using large capacitors, smooths the pulsating DC voltage, removing unwanted ripples to produce a cleaner DC output. The regulator maintains a constant output voltage regardless of input or load changes, protecting sensitive components from damage. The flow can be summarized as AC main supply, then transformer, then rectifier, then filter, then regulator, and finally stable DC output. Power supplies are used for charging phones and laptops, and in televisions, radios, routers, and even solar energy systems. Let us now discuss amplifiers. An amplifier is an electronic circuit or device that increases the strength of an electrical signal. In simple terms, an amplifier takes a weak signal and makes it stronger while keeping the original information intact. This increase is called gain. There are different types. Voltage amplifiers boost voltage levels, current amplifiers increase current, and power amplifiers increase both to drive speakers. Audio amplifiers handle sound. RF amplifiers strengthen radio signals for GSM networks, and operational amplifiers are versatile processors for signal filtering. Amplifiers strengthen weak signals from microphones, drive speakers, and are essential in broadcasting and medical equipment. In GSM technology, RF amplifiers help phones communicate with towers, and audio amplifiers ensure calls and music are heard clearly. Let's review. A power supply converts AC into stable DC using four major sections: the transformer, rectifier, filter, and regulator. An amplifier increases signal strength. Common types include voltage, current, power, audio, RF, and operational amplifiers. Understanding these is vital for technology careers. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson.